I just spilled coffee. That's a sin. That's a sin if you spill coffee, you know. My odd sense of humor. Let's stretch to another one bites the dust. All right. Start with some hip circles. Woo! And reverse it. Two more. Nice. Go side to side, reaching over. Side, side. All right, just give me some twists and twists. We'll hold it to the back there. Look over your shoulder. Twist, twist, twist. Nice, so reach over, stretch it out. Reach over, stretch it out. You wanna go? Touch, stretch it out. Try to touch the mat. Reach the other arm up. Ah. Nice job. One more time. Hands on your hips. Hinge it. Flat back. And up. Hey! One more time. Flat back. You can take it. Yes. Over. Now hold it. Hold it. Pick up the other arm. Hold your wrist. Hold it. Switch sides. Bring the other arm up. Ooh, nice job. All right, so hug. So crisscross, turn your palms towards me, and then reach up. Let it go, and then do it again. Hug it, turn it, stretch up, and down. Two more times. Cave it in, turn it, reach up. One more. All right, do a nice lunge. Get your balance. Arms up. So I want you to lean to the back. Center. And then to the front. Up. Back. Up. Center. Nice. Twist towards me. Twist towards the back. Twist towards me. Nice. Switch sides. All right, get your balance. Woo. All right, to the back. Center. Front. So you're leaning side to side. Center. Nice. Twist towards me. Twist towards the back. Twist towards me. Twist towards the back. Nice. Arms up. Point the finger. Lean to the right and the left. Nice. Reach all the way down. just sipping a frozen margarita on the beach. It's a nice hot summer day. You can hear the ocean. Feel the sun on your face. We can pretend. We can pretend until then, you guys. Woo, nice job.